Instead of throwing your candle jars away, especially if you like to burn the 8-inch tall or 7-day candles, wouldn't you like to learn how to clean them out so they'll look like that? Stay tuned and I will show you how. You're going to need 70% alcohol, Goo Gone to take the labels off, any kind of dish soap, a bottle brush that will fit inside of the candle holder. Use the kind with the little edge right there so you can scrape to the bottom of the candle jar. A piece of microfiber cloth, a pair of gloves, and just some kind of container that you can dump in the remnants of your candle as you clean it out. Next thing you want to do is fill your candle to the top with the alcohol. Let the alcohol sit in the candle about 10 to 15 minutes. After the time has expired, 10-15 minutes has gone by, you can take some of this alcohol and pour it, you reuse it and to clean another candle. So just pour some of that in another candle, empty candle rather. Next, take your brush and just scrub both sides of the candle as so, and that little end piece that is in the back of this brush, that is a perfect little piece that will get to the bottom of your candle. And just scrub the sides and go all the way around the bottom of your candle until the whole inside is clean. The wax will come off very easy. The alcohol has almost melted all of the wax. Once you have gotten the inside of the candle jar as clean as possible, go ahead and take the alcohol and just pour it all the way into the other empty container. As you can see, there are some remnants at the bottom of the candle, but the candle wax is very soft. At this point, add a couple of drops of detergent or dishwashing liquid. I have a pan of water, hot water on the stove. It is just at boiling, and the setting on the stove is at medium. So use a tin little cup like this, dip some of the hot water and pour that into your candle with the detergent in it. At this point, shake it around and that detergent will dissolve whatever is left, and the hot water will melt the remnants of the bottom, the remnants of the wax that's in the bottom of the jar. See? Even the little pin at the bottom is loose. And you kind of want to swirl that around. Be careful not to be burned. Swirl that around and get all of that, rest of that candle out of there. This is why you use your gloves, so you can make sure that you get the walls of your candle. Once it's all cleared up, I have a plastic container that I just pour this stuff in there. And your candle is clean. All you have to do, hot soapy water will clean it right on up. Okay, here's my nice clean candle. All I have to do is add a little Goo Gone to take the label off. Use your microfiber cloth Dry it off, clean the inside, and you'll have a nice clean candle where you can make your own candles, or you can use it for incense sticks, straws, chopsticks, or whatever you would like. Thank you for watching. If this video has been of assistance to you, think about subscribing. Thank you so much. Have a great one. Bye-bye.